Hello students, good morning. I am Mandeep Singh Thakur, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department at Chandigarh Polytechnic College, Kudua. In last video, we will we were discussed about the managing self concept. Managing self means knowing yourself. Okay. Now in this lecture, we will study about the managing self at physical level. Let us start with presentation. According to the subject, this is our third chapter, managing self at physical level. The simple meaning of managing self is managing oneself in all situations, such as workload and time pressure. Managing at physical level is very important for self development. It is very essential part of life. At this stage, you get knowledge about yourself on the physical level. This stage also teaches you how you can manage your health and time. These are various components which helps you improve at physical level. The components of managing self at physical level are: number one is personal grooming, health, hygiene, and time management. Let us explain these components one by one. Personal grooming. Personal grooming refers to an art which helps individual to clean and maintain their body parts. The dictionary meaning of the grooming is cleaning and maintaining your body. It increases your personality and standard of living. So it is called personal grooming. The human beings need to wash, clean their body parts to look good and for personal hygiene as well. Personal grooming is directly related to personality. Personal grooming creates a positive impression on others. It also makes you healthy because most of the health problems are due to use of dirty rather infected things. Knowledge reflects itself after one talks, but grooming creates instant and first impression on others. So, people should try to improve their grooming. Personal grooming helps in enhancing an individual's self-esteem and also goes a long way in developing an attractive personality. To develop personal grooming, keep the following points in mind. That is, take bath daily. Brush your teeth daily, minimum 2 times in a day. Wear neat and clean clothes. Your eyes, nose, and ears must be kept clean. Nails should be cleaned and clipped on a regular basis. Wear comfortable clothes. Face should be clean. Your hair should be shampooed and may be kept short. Personal grooming includes taking care of the items you wear. One does not feel good wearing dull shoes or jewelry that does not shine. Grooming involves ensuring we look our best by all means, including the accessories we wear. All of us use cosmetics, skincare products, jewelry, leather shoes, and purses at some point in life. Most of these personal care items need to be taken care of, otherwise, our sense of grooming would be adversely affected. For example, if cosmetics are not properly applied or maintained, could lead to skin infection and allergies. Let us look at some accessories and their function in personal grooming. Leather shoes and bags. To maintain leather shoes, leather goods, and last longer, oil and polish your leather shoes regularly. Store leather shoes away from heat, even if they get wet. Stuff tissue paper or an absorbent cloth inside the wet shoes and allow them a few days to dry. Slip your foot into the shoes using a shoe horn. It makes the leather stand up. Next is jewelry. How we can manage our jewelry. Fine jewelry requires care lotions, powders, and soaps. Natural skin oil can dull the surface of a diamond. The safest methods to clean jewelry at home is with a soft toothbrush and warm soapy water. In this, the next step, care must be taken not to scratch the jewelry when cleaning. Jewelry should not contact with water and perfume. As soon as you remove them, wipe them with dry cloth, cotton, and keep them in airtight Ziploc bags. In this, cosmetics plays major roles. Remember, all cosmetics come with an expiry date, even if it is not mentioned on the product. Replace all cosmetics within 6 months. Apply makeup with clean hands. Don't forget to wash your hands before applying or removing makeup. Remove cosmetics before night. Don't sleep with cosmetics on your face. Don't share your cosmetics with others. Sharing cosmetics can increase the risk of combination and contribute to bacterial buildup. All cosmetic tools such as brushes and applicators be cleaned every 3 months. Use your daily cleaner to clean your cosmetic tools. These are the some points according to your personality you groom with your personal grooming. These are some points managing situations with personal grooming, health, hygiene, and time management. And last but not least, time management is very important. Now, let us start with the point health. It is very difficult to define health. Generally, we believe that we are healthy if we are not ill. But health is not only absence of pain. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not absence of illness. People like those persons who are fit and healthy. We are judged and valued everywhere on our physical attributes and health. Health and personality play a very important role in the career opportunities. People who are healthy and pleasant looking get better jobs. Thus, health, fitness, and appearance have great importance in personality. Health can be divided into two types. First one is physical health. Physical fitness refers to body health. It is the result of regular exercise, proper diet, nutrition, and proper rest for physical recovery. Have a good night's sleep. Sleep is a natural part of everybody's life. Yet, many people don't understand its importance. It is a necessary task for our body in order to function effectively. You should be able to relax and enjoy a good night's sleep. In this, you may be healthy if eat 3 balanced meals a day. Eating 3 balanced meals a day ensures that your body is receiving a regular input of energy and nutrients. Many people make mistakes of eating only 1 or 2 balanced meals a day. Avoid snack and junk food as well as prepared meals. These are all high in salt, sugar, and fat, which work against the body's natural mechanism to stay healthy and relaxed. And the next, exercise regularly. To achieve any healthy goals, to achieve and health goals, it is important that you exercise regularly. Exercising has a myriad of physical health benefits, including disease prevention, such as heart disease and high blood pressure, improving stamina, and managing weight. Exercise can lead to relieving of both physical and mental pain. In this health, we can also say that the second part is mental health. Mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his community. Mental health describes either a level of emotional well-being or an absence of mental disorder. Uh, how we can manage maintaining health? There are some points. Achieving health and remaining healthy is an ongoing process. Effective strategies for staying healthy and improving one's health includes the following elements. These are these are some important tips for personal grooming of a woman. Do not keep long hair if you cannot maintain it. Nothing looks better than a glowing and healthy skin. Dress sensibly. Health. Some points are on the this topic. Social activity. Personal health depends on the social structure of one's life. The maintenance of strong social relationship is linked to good health conditions, longevity, productivity, and positive attitude. This is due to the fact that positive social attraction increases many chemical levels in the brain, which are linked to personality and intelligence trait. Perception of good health has changed over the years. Good health does not mean absence of illness or disease anymore. It's more than that. It is well-being in physical, mental, and social aspects. Lifestyle today has become very hectic, and thus maintaining good health has become even more important. People of all age groups and gender are required to be healthy, have a disease-free body, and remain energetic. It is significant from the aspects of economic lifestyle as well. These are some tips for good health: social health, emotional health, spiritual health, and mental health. In this, psychological stress may negatively impact health. Stress management is the application of methods to either reduce stress or increase tolerance to stress. For stress management, follow some points which are given. Number one is improve confidence, always keep positive thinking, improve skills and abilities which reduce stress reaction, reducing uncertainty by increasing knowledge and experience related to stress causing situations, learning to cope with problems better, such as improving problem solving and time management skills. It may also reduce stressful reaction to problems. Here are some tips. Tips on keeping physical healthy. Carrying out physical activity, dieting and good nutrition, intake of alcohol and drugs, avoid intake of alcohol and drugs, practicing self-care using medicines, taking adequate rest and sleep. And the next point in this very important point, hygiene. Hygiene is a set of practices performed for the prevention of health, preservation of health. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Personal hygiene. The term hygiene is derived from Hygeia, the Greek goddess of health and cleanliness. Hygiene is also the name of the science that deals with the promotion and preservation of health, also called hygienic science. Hygiene is the practice of keeping the body clean to prevent infection and illness. It includes bathing, brushing, flossing teeth, and washing hands before eating, washing food, grain, and preparing meals. This may help prevent infection and illness. In medicine, hygiene practices are employed to reduce the incidence and spreading of diseases. Hygiene may be divided into two parts, which are given below. The first one is body hygiene. Body hygiene is a practice performed by an individual to take care for one's bodily health and well-being through cleanliness. Body hygiene is achieved by using personal body hygiene products, including soap, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, toothpaste, and brush, cream, lotion, hair clippers, mouthwash, skin cleaners, and skin creams. Other personal body hygiene and grooming products can be used to improve health and well-being. Keeping your body clean is an important part of keeping you healthy and helping you to feel good about yourself. In this, the next point is the personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is the first step to good grooming and good health. Motivation for personal hygiene practice includes reduction of personal illness. Personal hygiene practices include seeing a doctor, seeing a dentist, regular washing of the body, clothes, shoes, hair, basic manicure and pedicure, and healthy eating. We can say that with a clean body, clean hair, clean clothes, and shoes, you will feel good and your friends will be happy to be near you. Keep your fingernails and toenails short and clean too. The next step for person grooming is time management. It is very important for everyone's life. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, so that you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. In this time management, you can say that time management is a set of principles, practices, skills, tools, and systems working together to help you get more value out of your time with the aim of improving the quality of your life. You must recognize that time is a unique and precious resource that you need to do your work, accomplish your goals, spend time with your loved ones, and enjoy everything that life has to offer. If you become a good time manager, you will not only get a lot in less time, but you will feel more relaxed, focused, and in control of your life. Definition of time management. How we can define the time management? Time management includes planning, prioritizing, goal setting, scheduling, and managing your workload. Okay. The importance of time management. These are some points. How to manage your time and importance of time management. Number one is effective planning. And the next one is setting goals to yourself. And third one is setting deadlines, and the next one is delegation of responsibilities, and next one is prioritizing your tasks, and the last, spending right time on right activities. As per the time is a limited source, there is a Chinese proverb that says no amount of gold will buy your time that has passed. Knowing that time is a limited resource, you would naturally need to cherish it. Once time is lost, you can never make up for it. Your work will have to be compromised because you have not managed your time. The importance of time managing in your career cannot be avoided. Know the importance, take the steps to perfect this skill to increase your chances of career success. Small steps build into big goals. To achieve success, one important thing is to set goals. Goals need to be mapped onto a timeline. Timeline needs to be managed. Career success does not come in a day. It takes a time. Understand the importance of time management as your career success depends on these small steps across time. If you do not take care of the seconds, the minute will waste, and so will the hours and days. All these will accumulate into poor results. Small steps build into big goals. The main part of achieving goal is about time management. Next one is setting deadlines. Efficiency of your work relates to time. Being efficient at work is managing your time. Being able to manage your time well gives you a competitive advantage over your colleagues. When bosses see you as an efficient worker, you become a competitive advantage to your unit. The importance of time management in this respect should be kept in mind if you want to achieve higher results in career. And the last is knowing your priority at work. The importance of time management in your career. The importance of time management in your career. Successes also comes in the form of allowing you to prioritize. Good time management skills involve the process of knowing when to do, what to do, and what is urgent and important. When you are able to focus, you become thereby more effective. Becoming efficient and effective at your workplace will contribute to your career success. These are the some points for why is time management important. Importance of time management. Time is a special resource that you cannot store or save for later use. Time management will help you set up your priorities. Time is limited to 24 hours a day. So plan your life wisely. You need time to get what you want out of life. That's all for this lecture. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.